Welcome. My name is Angie from Gilcrease Museum and welcome to Learn and Play. Today, we're going to start off by singing a welcome song. Sing along with me. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? That was great, guys. Thank you for singing with me. Today, we're going to be talking about gardens and nature. So let's get started. First thing we're going to talk about today is a painting from our Gilcrease collection called Taos Garden by Bert Gear Phillips. Bert Gear Phillips was a really special guy. He started the Taos Art Collective in Taos, New Mexico. Let's look at this painting. What do you see in this picture? Yeah, I see that too. I see a building, some flowers, there's some trees and some rocks. You're right. What else do you wonder about this picture? I wonder what season it is. What season do you think it is? Does it look like fall? No, I don't think so. Maybe it's winter. No, I don't think it's winter either. Do you know what season it looks like? Did you say spring? Yes, it does look like spring. Good job. I also wonder about this house in this painting. Who lives in that house? Why did they create the garden? Do you think they created that garden? Maybe they did. They might have wanted a beautiful place to read, or perhaps they wanted a calm and relaxing space for them to just hang out. It really does look relaxing, doesn't it? I have an idea. Let's activate our senses and take a trip inside the garden. Let's go. Okay, I want you to pretend you've jumped inside our Taos garden painting. What does this garden smell like to you? I think it kind of smells like sweet flowers. What do you think? What do you hear in this garden? I hear some birds and the wind blowing through those beautiful trees. Do you hear that too? Great. How many different textures can you find in this garden? Let's look around. Do you see anything smooth? Yes, you're right. Those rocks do look pretty smooth. Let's feel them. Nice. Can you find something around us that looks soft? Right, those flowers are very soft. Check out the leaves. They have some jagged edges. Awesome. All right, let's get back and learn some more about gardens. Welcome back. Did you enjoy exploring your senses in the Taos garden? I did too. Now let's talk about different types of gardens. Do you know what grows in a garden? You can grow fruit, you can grow vegetables, you can even grow trees and berries, any kind of plants. Why do you think a person would grow a garden? There's lots of reasons to grow gardens. You can grow food in your garden, or you can also just grow a garden because it's pretty to look at and you want a calm, relaxing space. Now, do you know what makes plants grow? You don't? Well, a plant needs 4 things to grow. They need dirt or soil, water, air, and sunlight. Do you want to sing a song with me about gardening? Great, let's go. The gardener plants the seeds, the gardener plants the seeds, Hi-ho and cheerio, the gardener plants the seeds. The sun comes out to shine, the sun comes out to shine. Hi-ho and cheerio, the sun comes out to shine. The rain begins to fall, the rain begins to fall. Hi-ho and cheerio, the rain begins to fall. The plants begin to grow, the plants begin to grow. Hi-ho and cheerio, the plants begin to grow. The flowers start to bloom, the flowers start to bloom. Hi-ho and cheerio, the flowers start to bloom. The flowers smile at us, the flowers smile at us. Hi-ho and cheerio, the flowers smile at us. Great job! Thanks so much for singing with me today. Now let's take a look at this picture of our Gilcrease gardens. What colors do you see? Yeah, I see green, pink, purple, blue. Yeah, there's red too. What else can you find in this garden? Those are some great observations. I see grass, trees, and flowers too. There's even some rocks. Can you spot anything that a plant needs to grow that we just learned about? Correct. I see dirt and I see light. You can't see the air, but you know the air is there too. Next, I'm going to show you a really fun nature art activity that you can do with a grown-up. This activity is called Painting with Nature, and you're going to create your very own paintbrushes with nature found in your own backyard. Let's take a look. You can use this texture scavenger hunt to help you find nature objects in your backyard, just like we did in the Taos garden. I found some grass, flowers, sticks, and even a pine cone. We will use a rubber band to attach the nature collection to the sticks. You can pour your tempera or washable paint on a paper plate. This is your paint palette. Now, dip your paintbrushes in the paint and experiment. Do the different textures create different patterns on your paper? I can't wait to see your paintings. Wow, I had such a great time today exploring the Taos Gardens, the Gilcrease Gardens, and learning all about what makes plants grow. I have one more song to sing today before we go. Will you sing it with me? Great. Bye bye, goodbye, bye 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 bye, goodbye, bye bye, goodbye, bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope to see you next time.